dimensions. So I'm displaying SPO. Oh, should come this side. Okay. So S stand for position, P stand for person, O stand for organization unit slash department, C stand for jobs, K stand for cost center. So this is the main assumptions. Generally, interviewer will ask, what is the SPOCK? So this is the SPOCK is the main assumptions. Apart from this, we have the also these are known as the units in SAP. These are known as the units. So we have the more units, and this unit, these are the units is a very important. Generally, interview will ask, and it's coming frequently. So I hope you understand that. Where is the S? S stand for position. P stand for person. O stand for organizations unit or department. C for jobs. K for cost center. Fine.
Okay.
So this is the assumption. If you want, you can write somewhere. So this is in shortcut SPOCK. So same way we are using in the structure in. I'm just displaying my SAP. So this is the first option. So this is the O stand for hierarchy structure. O stand for organization unit or a root. Or first one is the root organization unit. Or so what other things? Suppose a Havels is having the many division. So what should I do? Then for the division purpose, there is a various options. So we will see one by one. This is the first, second option. Create. I think I have to log in again. Fine. Again, I have to go to the PPOC instead of CE. We can create M for change. Enter. I hope you can view my screen, right?
Yes.
So for creations for next, suppose Havel is having the many divisions, so we have select and we can go for create. So go for create. Create is having two options, either positions, either the organizations unit. So just click on first one, organizations unit. Double click. So you can see here is the second row is coming. So Havel, like any division you can say, like a lighting, Havel's light. Suppose Havel's India, Havel's lighting India. And when it's like what is the duration for the when it's going to. So if you want, you can change the duration. So we have given 2019. Okay, so we can put it the 2019. After that, we can from this is the root organization structure. Before that, we cannot create. After that, we can create either the same similar. We can create and we can save. So you see here. When we close this one, main root organizations unit, it's closed. So Havels is a main root organization structure, and within the Havels, we have the lighting division. It's fine.
Yes.
Any questions still here?
No, sir.
Suppose we want again create for more within the Havels, we have the software division. Suppose. So we select the root organization structure. We can go for create. Again, we have to select organizations unit and we make a enter. So Havels software division. Havels says Havels software or a service, whatever, suppose software. And here you want to change the dates. Whatever starting date if you want, but it's not more than before that the 1st April 2019. After that you can do anything, so its system will accept it. So just I'm saving. So this is the save option. Fine. So within the Havels, this is the division. This is the
Sir?
organization. Yeah, tell me.
सर इनकेस अगर यूनिट के अंदर जैसे आपने हेवल्स इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड बनाया, उसमें आपने हेवल्स लाइट इंडिया बना दिया, अब मेरी हेवल्स लाइट इंडिया के अंदर सपोज मेरी 2 यूनिट हैं, एक डीटीआर की है, एक ट्रांसमिशन की, तो वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं सर?
हाँ हाँ कर सकते हैं, मैं दिखाता हूँ, आप मुझे बताते चलिए। अब आप लोग को क्या करना है कि सपोज एज पर द ही सेड की we have to create two more divisions within the Light India, right? Havels Light India.
यस सर.
So select Havels Light India, go for create, and select organizations unit, and just continue or enter, and you can. What is the name you have given?
डीटीआर.
DPR.
डीटीआर सर. डी फॉर
DPR.
दिल्ली. यस सर.
Okay.
टी सर. टी फॉर तमिलनाडु.
D DTP.
टी. आर.
What is the full form?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड ट्रांसमिशन.
Okay. So Havels DTR. And if you want, you can change the here. Don't forget to change the here durations, and just save. So when this is the drop down, when we there is a small icon, triangle icon, you can see here. When we click on close, so it's coming under this Havels Light India. If you click on. Suppose you want to get 5 division. Within the 5 division you want, or 3 division. So just select on this one, or select this one, next one, and you may have to copy. When we use copy, so how many options, number of copies, how many? Suppose we want to 3, same date and everything, so you can leave it and just make it enter. So all the property of the Havels DTR will be copied, and the system will created the 3 more units. Organizations unit. This is the, you can see organizations unit. System is written organizations unit, organizations unit, organizations unit, organizations unit. So this is the symbol stand for organizations unit. You can view. If you want, you can save here first. So now it's here. Within this, you can close here. So within the Havels, we have created Havels Light India, Havels Software Division. Within the Havels Light, we have created 3, 4, 5. Right? It's fine.
यस सर.
Any questions still here?
नो सर.
It's look very fancy, right? And very easy. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
But when you are doing the practice, then it's create a problem. But anyway, definitely it's easy. If you're creating means the practicing, then it's creating more. Okay. My next question is, this is a DTR, DTR, DTR. So can we have the three means all the things with the same name? How can we change the name? Suppose here I want the finance and finance division. So how can I change the name? Is it possible? Not possible. First thing. Then why? आपको सब में why तो रखना ही रखना है कि बताना है कि क्यों? What is the reason? Yeah, what is the possible reason?
Sir, from here to make it change, it's not possible because we already saved it. If we want to change, then we'll go to firstly the change option, then we can.
Again, I'll show you. No problem. I'll save it first. I'm going back. Any other one? You can see here. I forgot to. This is the status bar. You can see your data has been saved. When you click on, so it will display what is happening. Your data has been saved. So this is the in the lowest part. Status bar. Whatever, if you want to save again, system will show you. Your data has been saved. So this is this. Whatever the happening, the system will show you. Any other one? I'll follow the these fellow details. We can go. I can come out, and he said ki we can go for the change. So I have already here. So here is a change PPOME. I have the enter. We have the enter. So but still it's coming. What should I do? Just make a double click. This row, you just make a double click. Now we can change.
Yes.
So here, like is F5 or whatever, suppose F5, Havells F5 division, yeah, finance division or whatever, finance or whatever the consumer durables or whatever, suppose की service industry. चलो FI ही करते हैं, FI division, anything you can write down. And if you want to change the date here, so it's not displayable. So here is the icon, double and arrows. You click on the arrow. So here is the now display. When you click on again, it's not display. So don't worry, gone. Everything is gone. When you click on the display on, otherwise they can system will take the current date. Today is the 25th. If you can change here. Whatever date you want, you can change it and just save it. If you want, if you don't want to save, if you want to save multiple things in the same way, no, don't save. Come back here again, make a double click. This time, like a HR or any department, if you want, you can put it. Anything you want, you can put it. HR. Date, if you want, you can change it. Same process everywhere. Hide and hide also. If you want to change, you can change. And then save. Whatever done, you can done all the things. And then in the last, you can make a save. So this is the details for the we have. So in this way, if you want drag down, here is a plus symbol. I think you can view, right? In my cursor is plus symbol. Anyone can view plus symbol within the code, near to code.
Yes.
It's visible now. So if you want, you can it's maybe increase, maybe decrease your the as per your requirement. Anyway, if here if you want, you can also do as per your details. Suppose this is the chief, still we have not chief, so we make a so. So we have the enough details. So this is the steps where we can do this. So within Havel India, we can close. Here we can close it. If you want, you can open it. So this is the today's lessons we have done. Any questions still here?
No, sir.
All set, huh? Okay. So here is a various options are there. So we will discuss one by one. First, we have discussed this one. I have used second one. In the first one, when you click on, so a lot of options are there. We can use one or two options, not all of them. Generally, we are not using very well. Next one is reassignment. If you reassignment from 1 to 2, this is the delimit. This is the not generally we are using, but assignment means if you want to assign one organization's unit to the other organizations, then we can do delimit. I will let you know after 3-4 classes. If you want to delete something, suppose these are the levels. If you want to delete, these are the 2 DTR organizations unit are created. So select one, either make it the right click. So here is the delete option there. Then first go to assignment. Why assignment? I will let you know 4, 5, 6 classes. You can write down somewhere why they are asking assignment. So assignment first, then it's deleted. Or simply when you select and click on, then again same assignment will be asking. Same thing. So if you want, you can delete. I can go for assignment, delete. It's deleted. But if you have relationship, deleted. You can see here status bar. Relationship deleted. If you are not saving, suppose I am not going to save, so I'm going back again. Any reason? So system is asking, you want to save not? If you know, then still it's existing is there. Go for PPOME, enter. You can view the details, HR. 2 DTR is there, right? If you want to permanently delete, just select and delete. Or we can make a one changes, we can make a double click. HR1, we can make a DTR1. Here is also DTR1, so there is a difference. We can save it, okay. If you want, you can delete also. I will show you end of this one. Okay, next option. Ups and down. Ups and down. Suppose this is the finance department. Any questions still here?
No, sir.
Komal, Saurav, Liaz.
सर इन केस जस्ट टू सपोज कि मैं सैप पे काम कर रहा था, आई वाज वर्किंग ऑन सैप एंड सम मुझे बॉस ने इमीडिएटली कॉल कर लिया और किसी ने पीछे में सिस्टम को कुछ टच किया है, कुछ फाइल डिलीट कर दी, तो क्या ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन है जिसमें मैं देख सकूं कि रिसेंट क्या हुआ है मेरे सिस्टम में, सैप में?
आप नहीं देख सकते. देयर इज ए वन कंसल्टेंट, बेसिस कंसल्टेंट. आप सिस्टम में कुछ भी करते हैं ना, देयर इज ए टेबल. एक तो टेबल होती है, उस टेबल में ये सारे सेव होते हैं. सारी चीजें अलग अलग टेबल में सेव होती है. एक ही टेबल नहीं होता है, सबके लिए अलग अलग टेबल होती है. पहली चीज तो वो टेबल में सेव होता है. दूसरी चीज, सिस्टम के पास देयर इज ए वन गाय, बेसिस गाय होता है. आपके सिस्टम में आप जो भी काम करते हैं वो ट्रैक, वो रिकॉर्ड होता है. जनरली इन डेवलपमेंट आ रहा है, सम टेस्टिंग सर्वर वी आर नॉट यूजिंग, बट इन प्रोडक्शन वेयर वी आर वर्किंग एक्चुअली, so everything should be recorded. कब हुआ था, क्यों, कि किसने किया था, किस टाइम को किया था, किस यूजर आईडी से किया गया था, एवरीथिंग शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड. वो ऑटोमेटिक वो रिकॉर्ड, वो एक स्विच ऑन करना होता है, वो ऑन करके जनरली रखते हैं 99%. तो उससे वी कैन ट्रैक इट. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपने सिस्टम छोड़ के गए हैं, समवन हैज डन समथिंग, तो वो समवन है नहीं, फिर वो आपकी ही आईडी आएगी. आपने जो
Yes,
जो
sir.
काम किया है वो आए. अब आप अपना डेस्कटॉप छोड़ के जा रहे हैं या लैपटॉप छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, तो यू आर द रिस्पांसिबल वन. या तो आप इसको कंट्रोल एल करके जो है वो क्लोज करके जाइए डेस्कटॉप अपना. अगर वो ओपन है तो आपके ही जिसकी भी आईडी से होगा वो उसी की आईडी देखें डिस्प्ले. टाइमिंग वगैरह पता चल जाएगा कि व्हेन इट्स गोइंग टू डिलीटेड और व्हेन इट्स गोइंग टू एडिटेड. वो you can track it. कि आप उस टाइम में भी जो प्रेजेंट नहीं थे, तो you can track it कि which time they have the some changes are happening and which file is happening. ठीक है.
Got it.
टाइमिंग इज रिकॉर्डेड. यूजर आईडी एक होता है, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. यूजर आईडी विल बी रिकॉर्डेड. जैसे मैंने लॉगिन किया था ना IT0003 से, राइट.
Yes, sir.
तो दिस इज द यूजर आईडी, तो वो रिकॉर्ड होता है.
Okay, sir.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
एनी अदर वन?
No, sir.
Any other one? Any other question? Okay, up and downs. Suppose my manager, my manager said कि FI should be come first, then HR, then other things will be come. So just select, and here is the option for upside. Move up. You can see, move one level more. Click one level more. Now HR should be come next. Then select, HR should be come move. So this is the way, this is the move, this is the downside. No, HR should be last, okay. Either the finance should be last, okay. Just select finance, move. Right? So this is a up and down movement. One label up iska I have not used. One label up, what do you mean by one label? I have not used. So I'm not aware of this one. This is the printer. So this one I have not used, so I'm not aware. This is the printer. If you want to print Control P something, this area, so make a Control P. If you find something here, like suppose DTR1 Havells, DTR1 or Havells FI, if you want to find. Suppose here is a 10,000 records are there. 10,000 organization units. So it's very difficult to remember. So we can go for H. H means Control F in Excel. Either here also work, Control F. Suppose I would like to find something, so click on this one, H. So what do you want to find? You want to find business partner, you want to find central person or organizations unit, person, positions, whatever you find. Suppose this is the organizations unit, right? This is the organizations unit. So I am looking for the organizations unit. Just make a double click here or select and make a copy here. Here, various way. The best way is the abbreviations and name. Here you can write down abbreviation. Suppose Havells FI. Or I have already. So Havells DTR1. Numeric 1. So system will automatically, my cursor is automatically reach there. Make a search star, start. So here is the coming, select, and again continue. You can see system, my cursor will automatically reach there. Fine. So either if you want to find your organization unit, either the persons, either the positions, whatever you want, organization unit, person, positions, whatever you want, you can find from here are business partner and central persons and US user, whatever you can find it. What next? H plus is same, more than one pages. Expand node and all these things, no problem. Here maybe the it's work here. Expand, collapse. You can see here. If you want to collapse, it's work here also. If you want to expand, you can expand. Here is the options. Display. What is the evolution? It's difficult anyway. Leave it. We will see later. Here is the options. Next one, column configurations. Just click on. Here is all the things are displaying, like as a code. So code are here. ID, ID are here. Relationship text are here. Text are here. Chief and other things. If you want, uncheck. Enter. Sometimes it's happening. So it's look like this. Sometimes, so don't worry. Just click on the column configurations. And again select whatever field you want. Suppose ID and this one, enter. So these two fields will be appear. If you want more field, correct like a relationship or whatever. If you want like a percentage, okay, percentage will be appear. So when whatever you want to display here, you can display. If you want select all of them, you can select all of them and okay. Fine. Any questions still here? Anyone, anything having? Any
No,
questions?
sir.
So then we can see tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Which time? You can let me know.
12 p.m. is fine, sir.
7 a.m.
Just
It was same time, 8 p.m. only.
okay. Same time, right?
So morning. So please morning.
Is morning. कैसे करें आप लोग डिसाइड कर लीजिए या तो कैसे करना है
Sir, last Sunday the class was on 12 p.m.
which one
So-
11th p.m. 11
No, sir.
11 o'clock right
No, sir. 12 p.m. Yeah.
so can we make it the 11 o'clock
Yes, sir.
morning
Okay,
so
sir.
that in
Yes,
the whole
sir.
day we are free ठीक है done then 11 o'clock is fine just anyone has so just drop the message 11 o'clock tomorrow classes fine
Okay, sir. Okay.
thank you so much yeah. Thank you
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
thank you ji
Good night, bye.
bye